Hi again, everybody. Wednesday, September 6th, taking a look at the Astro Excel sheet for the month of September. This is the standalone Excel sheet which does various functions. The same data that you see here is plotted or transferred into Ninja, and then Ninja will also plot this as well. So the green line pressure was down into 9.2. You can see when I hold my cursor on the line, it brings that notation up. So when I want to see where this moon value peak is on 9.4, it's at 1400 hours, a value of 22.5. You see the green line and the blue line peak together at that particular time. Anyhow, we've had downward pressure now, and that pressure is going to last through today, and that's going to end around midnight tonight, 9/7. You can see the value there. All planets point 9/7 at the 0 hour. Then we've got upward pressure that comes back approaching the 0 line. That's going to go up till 1900 on 9/8, and then we're pushing down to 9/9 at 1400 hours. Then we get a really good strong push up and break above the 20 line, and that goes into 9/12 into the early morning, into the afternoon about 1400. Then we push down to 9:14. You see 9:14 about 8 a.m. Then we reverse back up, get up to about, break the 10 line to about plus 13 at 2000 on 9:15. Then we've got this steep push down. It's going to actually take out the minus 30 line. It's going to go to 9:19 to anywhere between 12 o'clock noon and 1900 hours, where we have that long sideways flat, before it pushes up again and we get a really strong move up, and then from the minus 30 to the plus 30 line, and that's going to go all the way out to 9:22 about 1-2 a.m. So those two moves are the strongest moves in the month. From the high 9:12, actually we're going to be, this push up is pretty strong from 9.9 up into 9:12, then the move down to 9:19, and then the push back up to 9:21, 9:22 here at midnight. Very strong. Then we go down to 9:24, and we actually bottom out at 1 a.m. Push back up into the 25th, 26th frame, where we kind of flatten out and then bounce around in positive territory for the rest of the month. So this sheet will also give you the view of the weekly, daily, and even tighter. Here's the 1 week chart that started out on the 1st. If I want to look at this week, say I want to just look at from 9/4, I'll go up here to the pull down tab, and I'll go switch this. I'll plug in 9/4 as the start date, and that'll give me the look for the week. So when I scroll down to the weekly, that's now starts on 9/4. It's going to take me through the whole week through 9/10 here, and you can see the more zoomed in view of what we just looked at on the monthly. That gives us the weekly. You get the blue line here, which is the moon trigger. And then when you start to go to the tighter frame, we can also then dial into a 2-hour chart. We can look at the 12 hours or just look at the 24-hour chart. So here's the 24-hour chart. Let's look at the day-to-day. There's the 24-hour chart for the day. So you can see the precise pivot points on the blue and the green line, and then you can also look at the gray line, which is going to fine-tune some turning points intraday. And if you really want to lock in on any particular point in time, you can use the pull down tab here, and let's just say I want to look at 9/6 in the afternoon. I'm going to zoom in and take a look at the 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock period. You can do that with this part of the tool right here, and that's going to give me this 2-hour period and show me some of the key pivot points on the gray line. So what we want to look at here is 1218 is going to be important. The area around 1226. Get another important spike, 1254. A bottom then here at 1315. And then this point high at 1328. Those are going to give you some of the key potential pivot times during the day, so you can utilize those in tandem with the Vedic rainbow, the pH, or the Cosmo indicators. This just helps in fine-tuning your timing. So there's a look at the month, week, and part of the day for today using the Astro Excel sheet.